Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Guys, who is this on the group? Like Sheikh, Imtiaz. Who is this? Seven nine eight nine 892349. Who is this? Are you there in the class? Sheikh Imtiaz. 7989892349. Who is this? He's not there in the class. Fine. Then who is this? Arpit, what happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
You texted on the group, no, not able to join.
No.
It's
I
there,
did.
your message only.
Yeah, ma'am. I did, but
But you could have texted me personally yesterday only. I've informed. Don't, you're not there.
yes, ma'am.
Then guys, don't waste your time also in these silly things here. Okay, let it be. I'll check the list. Till that time, guys, whoever is done with the assignment, give me your names in the chat box, please. तो क्या होगा मतलब जिनका नहीं हुआ है उनके पीछे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा, right? So whoever is done with the assignment, please give me your names in the chat box. Till that time, I'll check the list. Who is this Sheikh Imtiaz? Last time also texted, but I don't know who the student is. So please, others, whoever are done with the assignment, please give me your names in the chat box. Okay. So only Shashti is done with the assignment in your batch, is it? Yes, Shashti, share your screen. Please show me the assignment.
Ma'am, there is a notification that host a disabled participant a screen
Yeah.
share.
Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, right now. Okay. So dimension का size you have to increase a bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Then zoom in थोड़ा सा. Zoom out. बस. Dimensions are there, textures are there. Your furniture is not in layer. Okay. At this stage, if I'll say, I don't want to see the furniture, turn it off. You can't because it's not in layer. Okay. So please place the furniture in layer. Then text is there, dimension. Dimension ka size you can increase a bit. If you're working in mm, then it should be dot or point. I guess everywhere it's different. Only the toilet ka dimension is different.
Yes.
So check that once.
Okay.
Rest everything is fine.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell me that what's not in that layer means it's not in alignment or what?
Sorry.
You told her na about it's not in a layer that furniture thing.
Yes.
Means what's wrong in that?
See, if you want to make changes, suppose if I'll say I don't want to show the furniture there, what you will do? You will sit and delete the furniture. And what if you want the furniture again? Again, you will sit and add the furniture. That's why you have on off, freeze and freeze, lock का option. Number of colors are there. मैंने बोला कि अभी मुझे पूरा फर्नीचर ग्रे में चाहिए. नहीं नहीं मुझे पूरा फर्नीचर रेड में चाहिए. नहीं येलो में चाहिए. How will you do that? एक एक फर्नीचर का चेंज करना पड़ेगा. लेयर में है तो एक साथ लेयर का करोगे ना. That's why it should be in layer. चेंजेस करने के लिए वो इजी होता है. Okay. Rest everything is fine, Shashti. It's very nice. Good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Then Siddhi.
Ma'am, I'm done with the layout, windows and doors. I haven't put dimensions and furniture.
Okay, show me till where it's done. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Show me the entire plan. No? Okay. ठीक है, fine. Just finish it and then upload it. Okay? Rest is fine. Yes,
Ma'am.
Ritika.
Ma'am, yesterday I couldn't do the plan that you told because I was not having my laptop. So I did the same plan. I need to add the furniture.
Okay, show
Can-
me.
Yeah. Oh. I did the same plan. I'm adding the furniture.
Okay, fine. This is also fine. Nice. Good.
Okay.
Again, anyone? Arpit, what about you?
So, ma'am, I was busy with my work, like company's work. So yesterday I'm attend and मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला मैम ये करने का.
So when you are going to complete it? Because you have to upload it in the drive, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will do it, ma'am.
Do it as soon as possible, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Satvika, you can share this. Okay. So, or is there windows at the- only furniture placement is left. The rest, everything is very nice. It's very neat and clean. Everything is perfect. Only furniture placement is left. Arpit, please mute yourself. Okay, sorry, Satvika, fine. It's very nice. Good. Just add the furniture and rest everything is perfect. Again, anyone wants to share the screen? Okay, fine. Now, after this, guys, today, basically, we are going to start with the elevation here. Okay. So, now, I'll show you first. Okay, you tell me first what you know about elevation. What is meant by elevation? Why we create the elevations? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Maya?
हाइट का डिजाइन का आइडिया हो जाता है हमें उसमें
Yes,
कितना
correct.
सिल लेवल है लिंटर लेवल है स्लैब लेवल है उसकी कितनी मोटाई है और विंडो किस जगह प्लेस हो रही है
Yeah, correct. Again, any other answers? Anyone? Fine. Yes, Mike, it's correct. Elevation is nothing but the exterior view of the building. Okay. You can't say front view. It can be anything. Front, samne khade ho, so definitely it will be front view. You are standing beside of the building, then side view. अगर आप building के पीछे खड़े हो, then obviously back side का view आएगा. Right? So now, elevation, remember, it's nothing but the exterior view of the building here. Suppose एक front view लेता है. Now, what is the first thing you'll be able to see? First, this, the base. Then you have to give parking level. Then you have to give plinth level, which is your floor level. And then compound wall level. Right? And after that, floor ceiling ka height, floor to ceiling ka height. On top of that, if you have railing, if you have parapet wall, then you can give that height also. Right? See this one also. You are standing in front of the building and you are looking. What you'll be able to see? First, you'll be able to see the compound wall here. Now, whatever is there behind that. Okay. Again, all of the examples are same. See, here you don't have any compound wall, so directly you can place. If you have any, now see, यहाँ पे अभी enter करने के लिए door नहीं होगा क्या? Everything is there, but you need to show that part only which is visible. Remember that. Okay. So same today with the elevation, we are going to start. First, I'll create the plan, guys. Simple sa plan. And then for that plan, we'll create the elevation here. Okay. So I'll set the units. Now, here, we'll create the layers first. As you know, no one is going to work without the layers. So I'll give wall layer. Then I'll give window layer. Then I'll give door layer. Then I'll give compound wall layer. Done. Change the colors here. Red. Then yellow. Then green. Then cyan color. Suppose or magenta color. Whatever it is. Done. Now, give rectangle tool and create one layout of 4,000 by 5,000 here. Right? 4,000 by 5,000 ka rectangle you have to create. Done. Then offset this wall by 230 here, which is the outer wall. Then you have to give the compound wall level. Right? Then you have to give the compound wall level. Now, compound wall ka size, distance, it depends upon the area of the plot. Right? But minimum, it should be 1,000 here. So, we'll offset this line by 1,000 here. Done. Then give outer wall ka thickness, which is 230 here. Right? Now, first place it in a compound wall level. Then explode it. Give X enter. Explode it. Now create doors and windows here. First extend. Done. Then O enter offset. This wall by 100 first. And then that 100 ka line offset by, wait. First offset by 100. And then that 100 ka line by 900. Then using trim tool, trim the unwanted part. Done. Here I'll take extra vertical line, means I'll place it. Now I'll give O enter and I'll offset the midline by 750 on left, 750 on right. Total 1,500. Then using trim tool, trim the unwanted part. Right. Here also for the entrance you have to create something. So first extend the wall and then enter offset the wall by 2000, which is minimum size you can give. Done. Using trim to trim this part. Done. Now as window, how to create this thing you know already. It's very simple. Create one rectangle. Place the midline. Right. Now you have to place the door. So yesterday, remember I told you, you no need to sit and create the door. You have inbuilt blocks and all. See, I'll teach you how you can import it. You need to open tool palette. So tool palette ka shortcut is Control 3. Okay. Give Control 3. Open the tool palette here. Then imperial samples. Here you have metric samples. Here you have. Right. So you decide like you are working with feet and inches or you are working with metrics. I am working in metric now. So I'll take door metric. Command place. Now click on the door. Click on the door. Here you will get the arrow mark. Click on that and open 90° here. Okay. Open 90°. Then here you have this arrowhead. Flip it. Simply flip it. Using move tool, place it here. And then click on the door. And using this arrowhead, you can increase and decrease the size. ये भी स्टैंडर्ड साइज से बनाया गया है देखो 1000 का डोर है 900 800 750 700 and 600 right. So how much you want you can give. I'm using 900 ka door here. Done. And you can place it. See, so very simple. So is it clear? You understood how to create the plan and all? Okay, so do one thing. First, create the layout, dimensions and everything you know already. Create the layout and let me know. Finish this quickly. So we'll start with elevation one by one. Okay, try it out.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Jayendra Singh, tell me.
ये विंडो और डोर का मुझे समझ में नहीं आया प्लान
विंडो तो हमने कल ही बनाया था, एक
कल मैं
रेक्टेंगल
थोड़ा
लेके मिड लाइन।
कल मैं मतलब थोड़ा मतलब 2 दिन से बिजी था ना कुछ मतलब इसीलिए तो कल
Yeah,
रात में
I'll
मेरा
repeat,
नेट का
not an
प्रॉब्लम
issue.
था
Yeah, I'll repeat, not an issue. But please check the recordings अगर आप absent हो क्लास में. सही?
आज मैं अभी आया तो मैंने सोचा क्लास ही ज्वाइन किया आज
Okay, fine. See, now using a rectangle tool, create the rectangle. I'll draw one midline here. Wait, I'll extend this. Yeah. Right. Then how to place the door? Simply give Control 3, architectural. If you are working with imperial, select door imperial. If you are working with metric, select door metric. Place it here. Now,
okay
click.
I understand now
Yeah, sorry guys, I just lost my connection. Just a second, I was explaining the door. Yeah. So,
Ma'am, recording
yes.
would continue or
Sorry?
ma'am, recording has been stopped?
No, it's not.
Yes, ma'am.
It's in process.
Okay, ma'am. So it would be, I think, 2 recordings would be there, I think.
Yeah, it's in process. Yeah. So, import the door. Now, click on the drop down, open 90-degree. And here, basically, you can flip it how you want. Using move tool, if I'll place it here, and then drag with the arrowhead, that's it. Done. Got it? Is it clear, Jayendra Singh?
yes clear I just draw
Sorry?
I just draw now window and doors only but compound wall and plan is complete
Okay, fine.
yeah
Yeah. Now see, once you are done with this, one by one, guys, we'll place the extra lines here. Okay? Take extra vertical line, which is for the reference, and place it now. Wherever it is breaking, place it. 2 lines for the compound wall. 2 lines for the main wall. Start of the window. End of the window. Start of the door. End of the door. Then again, 2 walls are there and 2 compound walls are there. Done. right? Two main walls, sorry, 2 lines for the compound wall, 2 lines for the main wall. Start of the window, end of the window, start of the door, end of the door. 2 main walls and 2 compound walls here. Done. Right? Once the lines are placed, one by one, give the levels. Okay? Draw one baseline here. Okay? This is the baseline you have. Now, this baseline, you have to offset 3 times. See, I'll type here, since it will be easy. Baseline. Offset 3 times. By 150, 450, 800. Right? 150, 450, 800. This is for parking level, plinth level, compound wall level. Okay? Basically, 3 बार आपको ये लाइन को करना है ऑफसेट. Okay? First, offset by 150 mm. Then offset by 450 mm. Then offset by 800 mm. Right? 3 times you have to offset this baseline. Done. Then you have to offset the plinth level. Plinth level means, remember guys, it is floor level. Okay? Plinth level means it is floor level. So offset the plinth level, offset the floor level by 3000 for ceiling. Right? ये जो plinth level है 450 का offset किया हुआ. This is your plinth level. Okay? I'll give O, enter. This is the plinth level offset by 3000 here. Offset the plinth by 3000. Again offset by 3000. Done. And then suppose if you have 2 floors, then only 3000 offset. And then on top of that, you can give parapet wall. Parapet wall ka height you can give 1000. Okay. If you are giving a railing, then 900. Remember this. So offset this ceiling by 1000. This is for parapet wall here. Done. Floor se parapet wall. Done. Then using trim tool, trim the upper lines and the side lines here. Right? See? It's done. One by one, you have to give the levels. That's it. Now, guys, one by one, we need to trim the lines to complete the elevation. But before going further, I want you guys to place the extra lines and the levels with dimensions. Okay? Because if I'll start trimming, you'll get confused. That's why first place the levels, place the lines, and let me know. Okay? Then we'll start trimming here. Right up.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, what is the update? Done with this? Okay, fine. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Not an issue. Okay, guys, fine. Now see, one by one, we'll start trimming everything. See now. These two lines you have, these two lines you have. This is for the compound wall, it seems. But your compound wall, it is the restricted till here only. Right? So keep these lines till the compound wall only. No need to extend these lines till down. Okay? Using trim tool, trim the unwanted part here. Okay? Using trim tool, trim unwanted part. Now, here you have these two lines, these two lines. This is for the main wall. Very simply, if you're standing in front of your building and you're looking, will you be able to see the thickness of wall? Obviously not. That's why delete inner lines of the walls. Okay. Delete inner lines of the wall. Done. Okay. Then again you have this compound wall here. Definitely you won't be able to see compound wall ka thickness also. So delete inner walls here. Done. And then here these two lines you have. So this is for the window, it seems. Right? And now you have to create the window here. How to create the window? See guys, if you have any window in your room, okay, if you have any window in your room, just look at that window. Below that you will find one specific height ka wall. We call it as sill level. Okay. So that sill level ka standard height is 700 mm here. Remember this. Okay. And after the sill level, your actual window will start. So window ka standard height is 900 mm. 900 to 1000. Okay. इससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, but this is standard. ठीक है? If you have any window in your room, below that window you will find specific height ka wall. We call it as sill level. Okay. Sill level ka standard height 700 mm, right? Now offset the floor by 700. Offset the floor by 700. And then that 700 ka line offset by 900. Right? That 700 ka line offset by 900. Done. So this is the window you have. Base ko offset kiya 700 se, ye tha sill level. And above that, this is the window height. This is your window, right? So using trim tool, in the unwanted part here. In the unwanted part here. Done. Then whatever is not needed, simply select and delete it. इसका भी जरूरत नहीं है, delete those lines. Right. Then here you have these two lines. So this is for the door, it seems. Now create the door here. So guys, door ka standard height is 2100 mm. Okay. Simply give O, enter. Offset the floor by 2100 mm. 2100 mm. And then using trim tool, trim the corners. Unwanted lines, delete it. Then here you have these two lines for the walls and these two lines for the compound wall, it seems, right? No need of any reference because you know कि दो lines compound wall का, दो lines main wall का. The reference lines, trim it out. No need of reference. Done. Then here, if you want, place the door or else no need. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि जो ground floor पे वही top floor पे होना चाहिए. If you don't want, no need of this door. ठीक है, keep it as it is. Okay. Now, you are standing in front of the building and you are looking. What is the first thing you'll be able to see? The compound wall, right? So, delete whatever lines are coming in compound wall, right? Whatever is coming in that compound wall, trim it out. Door का ये वाला जो part है, ये भी जाएगा. It won't be visible, right? Using trim tool, trim it. Done. Now, for your better understanding, I'll do one thing. I'll place everything in the layers. Okay. So I'll select the walls. I'll place it in wall layer. Then I'll select the windows. I'll place it in window layer. Then I'll select the door. I'll place it in door layer. And then I'll select the compound wall. I'll place it in compound wall layer. Done. But इसमें enter करने के लिए you need main gate, no? Entrance. See? So now, extra vertical line. Two lines will place it here. Right? Means this is the space where you have to create the main gate. Right? So give O, enter. And now set the floor. Give the height here. I'll give 1600 mm. Done. So this is the space of that main gate. Okay. So using trim tool, trim the extra lines. That's it. And see, you get the main gate also here. Match properties से इसका layer match कर देते हैं. Okay. Done. Okay. Means simply you are standing in front of the building and you are looking. What will be visible? First, the main gate, entrance gate, then the compound wall, and then whatever is there behind that compound wall, doors, windows, parapet wall, etc. etc. Right? Now, You can't show the squares, square boxes, rectangles only. You have to create it properly. You have to place the blocks properly. In short, you can say you have to modify it. Okay. So I'll teach you how you can add the blocks, how you can modify. But before going further, start trimming the lines and first do it till here. Okay. And let me know once you are done. Then I'll show you how you can place the blocks. Okay. Right out. Okay, guys, done. Can we proceed further? Okay. Now see, last you have to add the blocks. Okay, so I'll open the block file here. Okay. Now, here you have doors. Number of doors you have. Suppose I'll take this one. Control C so you can copy. Control V so you can paste the door. Now see how small it is. So what you can do? Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. How small it is. So using line tool. Draw the reference line. Give the dimensions. Now standard is 2100 mm, right? Follow the same process. Select SC, enter. Select the base point. Give R, enter. Again the base point. Give endpoint of the object and endpoint of reference line. See? Done. Right? Then you can copy paste or you can move that block. Right? And this thing to this part it won't be visible. Then using trim tool, trim this part. Okay, because it won't be visible. Then you have to create the window. Guys, window how to create, I'll tell you. See. What happened? Okay. So what you have to do? Offset all these 4 lines by 50 mm from top, bottom, left, right. Guys, 50 mm is standard thickness of window frame here. Okay, 50 mm is standard thickness of window frame here. And as you know, no need to block anything. Okay, just show everything is continuous here. Done with the frame. Now using line tool, place one midline here. Now this midline, offset this midline by 25 mm. Okay, 25 is the thickness of window glass. 50 mm frame, 25 glass, right? Done. And then using trim tool, trim the unwanted corners here. Whatever is not needed, simply trim the corners here. Done. See, 50 ka frame and 25 ka glass. Done. Then you can copy paste it. See? Done. Whatever is not needed, trim that part. Just a minute. Place this till here. Done. Okay. See? Done with the window here. Now, suppose here you want to place the main entrance gate. So guys, just search for the blocks. Number of options, number of blocks you'll get. I guess it is something here only. Yeah, see this one you have. Again, see here also the one gate you have. How you want, you can place it. Okay? Control C, so you can copy. Control V, so you can paste it. And you can scale it then accordingly. How much is needed, you can scale it. Okay? Or else instead of this, ये बहुत बड़ा gate हो गया ना. Instead of this, you can use this one. It suits. Control C से you can copy. Control V so you can paste. Scale it accordingly. You can place it. Done. Then unwanted part, trim it out. No need. Okay. Just done. Right. Now I want to place the compound wall here. So guys, compound wall के लिए भी number of options are there. ठीक है. अगर आपको where it is, yeah, I guess here. हाँ, see. This one you have, this one you have, this one you have, this one, that. Okay, see, above that also you have. So you can place it. You want. Suppose I'll take this one. Control C, so you can copy. Control V, so you can paste. Paste it. And then, according to the drawing, scale it. How you want, you can scale it. Copy the same. You can copy paste it. That's it. Okay. Then जो बाहर जा रहा है, I want to trim this part. ये तो trim नहीं हो रहा है because it is blocked. What you have to do? X enter, explode it. Right? X enter, explode it. And then you can delete the unwanted part here. See? Done. Right? On terrace also, if you want to create terrace garden, or suppose if you want to show any CNC work or whatever it is, then you can show that part also. I'll trim this part. This is for presentation purpose. Okay? Structure, so I told you how you can create. This one, how you want, you can modify. You can see Google images. उसको रेफर करके भी you can create. अभी यहाँ पे suppose जाली kind of कुछ show करना है. कोई cutting work, see here. Number of options are there. जितने options देखे थे you have. Right? Anything you can place. Suppose I'll take this one only. Control C so you can copy. Control V so you can paste. scaling, aligning everything properly. So how much it is needed? You can simply copy paste it. Right? Extra part, you can trim it out. Here also same, horizontal करके उसको place कर सकते हैं. Okay. After that, here I'll do it now. It will look better. Copy the same. Use rotate tool. Rotate it. And then you can place it. Modification is up to you guys. How you want, you can do it. Just a second. बस ये accurate होने के लिए थोड़ा सा properly आपको scale करना पड़ेगा, nothing else. Copy the same for the other end. That's why I'm saying guys, work in the layers. Every time it will be better to work in the layers, nothing else. Okay. See, so done. जो भी overlap हो रहा है, you can sit and trim them. Here, if you want to place any trees, car, whatever, how you want, in short, I'm trying to say, how you want, you can modify the elevation. Okay. So is it clear, guys, how you can place the blocks, how you can modify it? This part you understood? Any issues, any doubts in elevation? Anyone? Fine. So I'll give you an assignment, guys. Please listen carefully. What you have to do, create 2 elevations of your plan. On which plan you guys are working, no? For that plan, you have to create 2 elevations. First, definitely the front elevation. And second, you have to create side elevation. Side elevation means it can be anything, east or west. But दोनों में से एक side elevation and one front elevation you have to create for your plan. Okay. Clear, guys? The assignment. Anything, any issues, any doubts you have? Anyone? Okay, Ritika, fine. Okay. Fine, guys. If you don't have any doubts, so we'll end this session for today then. Okay. And we'll continue from tomorrow. Yes, Ritika?
Ma'am, while we are copy pasting the CAD blocks like the furniture to the another CAD file, they are automatically creating some layers.
Yes, you can't delete that because when you're copying any object, any block, it will come with the layers. So make sure कि देखो जब आप delete करोगे, you'll get one pop-up. 4 conditions are there. वो zero layer नहीं होना चाहिए, वो def point layer नहीं होना चाहिए, उस layer में objects नहीं आना चाहिए. ये 3 possibilities check करो. अगर ये नहीं है, then you can delete that layer.
Ma'am, is there any problem if we keep the layers like while printing it out and all?
No, it won't.
Oh. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys, fine then. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.